Okay guys, welcome to another vlog. So guys, just done getting my nails done. Yeah, I don't know if I did an introduction earlier, but welcome back to my vlog. So today I'm traveling later today, going away for the weekend to celebrate with my girl. It's her birthday, so we're gonna go. Not gonna reveal my destination yet. Gonna run in Walmart real quick to grab like a traveling size toothpaste, because I'm not checking any luggage. And then go get my eyebrow done. My husband gonna do it, cause he's a barber. So we're gonna get that. I don't know what happened just now. I don't know what just happened, but the camera just went right off. I don't know what's that about. But as I was saying, I have a lot to get done. I still haven't had any breakfast or anything. Nothing yet. So just gonna run into Walmart real quick. Trying to do a U-turn right here. Yeah, that's it guys. I don't have anything really planned, but I just want to vlog this trip, and starting from the beginning. Now I get prepared. Usually, I got my get my nails done the day before, something already packed, but this trip is just a couple days and I've been working, so I'm just winging it right now. Winging it. Everything is like so last minute. Not that the trip is last minute. I've been know about the trip, but I'm just doing things last minute. And I have a couple more trips coming up after this, so I'm gonna also vlog that. Cause my baby birthday is coming up, my little munchkin birthday. So of course he's like, mommy, like to take trips. So you wanna go to Disney. So we see, everything is still up in the air. So definitely gonna vlog his birthday. But for now, this weekend gonna be great because I'm excited. Girls trip is the best. Girls trip is the best. Yes, honey. Yes. Oh my God, I'm all over the place. Jesus, I'm all over the place because it's that me need to write things down. I really need to be writing things down because I got so many things. I got clothes laid out from yesterday. My husband throw them off the bed. Because I was supposed to do a trial all last night when I got off work, but that did not happen. So scratch that. So my stuff is all over the place, all over, and I really don't want to overpack. I should already have this packing thing down to a science because I'm always going somewhere. But no, still always a struggle. I hate packing. Do not like to pack. I wish somebody could just put all my fits together and just pack, and I just grab and go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm at the airport now. As I told you guys, I was traveling today. I think it got cut off when my memory card full, so I couldn't video anymore. I'm using a different phone now to do this video. Yes, so I'm already checked in. Just can't do it and carry on. I already checked in already. Got my boarding pass on my phone. Yes, I'm making it up to the security checkpoint now. Yeah. So guys, this is what I'm trying to do. So as of now, my cousins, they already arrived in Vegas. That's where I'm going, Vegas. So I'm trying to pull a little prank on my cousin Bridget. That's her, you know, it's her birthday, and she definitely, so, you know, definitely excited that I'm coming. But this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna prank her. I'm gonna prank her and tell her that I didn't make the flight. You know, to get her reaction. So stay tuned for that, okay? I'll see you when I get to the gate. All right, here goes my gate. Right here. So, oh boy, it looks like it's gonna be a full flight. So I'm just gonna, you know, chill out a little bit until further notice, because I really need to pull this prank on Bridget. Really pull it off. I don't want no hiccups, okay? Just take you back in a little bit. So guys, I'm on the flight. Bridget doesn't know I'm on the flight, so when I arrive, I'm gonna surprise her. I just texted her and let her know that I did not make the flight. So I didn't want to call her because I didn't want her to hear the background. But right now, I'm in my seat and I'm gonna turn my phone off because I don't want her to try to reach me, and I tell her my phone battery about to die. So we see how this turn out. All right. Good, 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 good. Birthday girl. The weekend. Where we at for the weekend? Reggie, Nancy, girls, some of the girls. Here we have here, guys.
Let them know what we're about to do.
We are about to go on a helicopter tour, guys. But you know the shuttle is running late. That's what we're about to do, okay? I was rushing. I had to prep my girl, but my memory card, you know, full, so we're not gonna capture. Well, we did not capture everything. But we, you know, we get a little reaction. Yeah. So just stay tuned. We're gonna be vlogging.
I always wonder how they actually do the pranks and it works. Well, you get me.
My first prank, guys. My first prank.
And me
And it was a lot of work.
It worked because I was totally believable. She got me, guys. Yes, she sure did.
Yes.
Yes,
That
go
was
follow
the
her,
goal.
like, subscribe, and share.
Yes. So we will continue this vlog, guys.